We usually make the patient stand with the help of walker the very next day after the surgery, take few steps the same day, and from the next day he is allowed to walk in the room, and the next day he can go out of the room with the help of walker. And at the time of discharge, usually patient goes on stick. Stick assisted walking is allowed for roughly 2 to 3 weeks, and stair climbing is started after 2 to 3 weeks. When patient is called for suture removal at the time duration of roughly 2 to 3 weeks, the patient is asked to perform all the activities after that. The recovery time of after a total knee replacement surgery is usually 2 to 3 weeks, in few cases 4 weeks.